What is microcontroller? A microcontroller is a small and low-cost microcomputer which is designed to perform the specific task of embedded system. The general microcontroller consists of processor, memory, ports, peripherals, etc. Microcontrollers are widely used in various devices such as light sensing and controlling devices like LED. Several other applications of microcontroller are temperature sensing, fire detection, voltmeter, etc. Some different types of microcontroller boards are Arduino, Raspberry Pi, Intel Galileo, etc. Something about Arduino. Arduino is a microcontroller board based on Atmega 328P. It contains everything needed to support the microcontroller. Another type of Arduino is Arduino Uno. Uno means one in Italian and was chosen to mark the release of Arduino software IDE 1.0. About Arduino. Arduino consists of analog pins, power pins, digital pins, transmitter receiver LEDs, power LEDs, ICSP headers, Atmel 8 Mega 328 which is the microcontroller, 3.3 voltage regulator, DC power jack, etc. These are some of the schematics of Arduino Nano, Arduino Micro, Arduino Duo and Arduino Lilipad. This one is Arduino Mega R3 board and the next is Arduino Esplora. Now coming to how to select the right Arduino board. There are different types of Arduino boards existing in the market today such as FreeDuino and NetDuino. The best way to select the Arduino board is by checking and differentiating the trade names on the original boards. So getting the low cost Arduino boards is easy through online sites as well as electronic stores. These boards are available with different versions as well as specifications. The programming of all boards can be done with the Arduino IDE software that permits anyone to write as well as upload the code. But each board varies based on the inputs, outputs, speed, form factor, voltage, etc. The voltage required to operate these boards range from 3.7 volt to 5 volt. Now coming to Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is like a small computer. The Raspberry Pi can be easily plugged into monitor, computer or your TV. The Raspberry Pi supports all programming languages like HTML, Java, etc. The Raspberry Pi board based robotics are huge number of applications in automation industries. This is a schematic of Raspberry Pi A+. This is Pi 2 model B and this is the B+ model of Raspberry Pi. Some of the difference between Arduino and Raspberry Pi. Arduino is the control unit from the Atmega family, whereas Raspberry Pi has the control unit of ARM family. Arduino is based on a microcontroller, whereas Raspberry Pi is based on microprocessor. Arduino is designed to control the electrical components connected to the circuit board in a system, while Raspberry Pi computes data and produces valuable outputs and controls components in a system based on the outcome of its computation. Arduino boards have a simple hardware and software structure, whereas Raspberry boards have a complex architecture of hardware and software. CPU architecture of Arduino is of 8-bit, whereas CPU architecture of Raspberry Pi is of 64 bits. Now coming to Intel Galileo. Some of the schematics of Intel Galileo are shown above. Galileo can be programmed with the Arduino software also. Selecting Intel Galileo in the Arduino IDE board.